Hello Connexit family, welcome to Connexit training videos. Today in this video I'll be showing you how to connect Facebook lead ads to get response. So this is a use case requested by a user. I'm gonna show you how to connect from Facebook lead ads to get response. So make sure you authorize the apps before actually you creating a workflow. So now I'm going to authorize get response. So to authorize get response, you have to click on the app and click on add account. So this will going to ask you for API key, so which you will be finding it in get response. So you can log into get response in the menu field. So click on integrations and API and click on the API tab. So if you don't have one, so you can just generate one. So if I want, just copy the API key and paste inside Connexit and click on yes and continue. This will going to authorize the app inside Connexit. So now let's start building a workflow. I'll click on create connect and select Facebook lead ads. So in Facebook lead ad, so you have to choose the account and select the lead as new lead and choose your form. So I'm gonna choose my form. So once you've done that, so select the additional attributes, so whichever it is being required for your use case, so you can choose those and click on OK. So now let's go ahead and choose get response. So just drag and drop get response and choose your account. So choose the trigger as create contact, so it will ask for your lists, so you can choose your list and choose the tag. So and just connect between the name field and the email field and make sure you have to enter day of cycle as one or more. So make sure you're doing that and click on test and review. So this will going to add this particular record inside my email list. So I'll show you my email list. So at this moment I have only one, so I don't have anything in this particular list. So let me go ahead and click on test and review. So this will going to add a record inside get response. Yes, it is been added successfully. So now I go to get response and click on list. So you can see that there will be an email added inside get response. Refreshing the page. So yes, you can see that there is an email with the existing email and my name has been added inside get response. So now let's go ahead and publish our connect. Let's name our connect to FP lead ads get response and publish our connect. Yes, our connect is successfully published. So let's go ahead and test our connect, guys. So this is my lead form, so I'm going to delete the lead first, refresh the page, get a new lead, just say yes, and I'll be using the name as John Doe and the email ID as rakeshmerish@gmail.com and click on yes. So and make sure that if you're using the same email ID which is already been present inside get response, maybe you will be getting an error, so it will not get added. So this is how our connects look like. So any new lead on Facebook lead ads will trigger a create contact on get response. So this is how our connects look like. Okay, so now let's go to get response to check whether we received an email or not. So I'll refresh my page. Yes guys, so you can see that the id has been added inside my list, so with the name that is John Doe and the email id which we had given. So you can see that, so it is been added directly inside my email automation list. So this is how you can connect Facebook lead ads into GetResponse. So if you guys have any particular questions on this particular integration, let us know on the comment section below. Thanks for watching this video guys. Have a great day.